Welcome to Malaysia Digital Week, MDW 2022, a week-long celebration and showcase of Malaysia's technological innovations and digital investments ecosystem. With MDW 2022, we are realizing possibilities. MDW 2022 is set to further accelerate digital investments in Malaysia and reinforce our position as the preferred digital investment location in ASEAN. MDW 2022 is aligned to the vision and mission of Malaysia Digital, the national strategic initiative to drive digital investments and enable Malaysians to become key players in the global digital revolution. MDW 2022 will be fueled towards the Malaysia Digital Investment Strategy of achieving 50 billion ringgit investments and the creation of 50,000 jobs by 2025 as we continue our journey to be a progressive and inclusive digital nation.
Ekonomi digital telah menyumbangkan lebih daripada 22% pendapatan negara kasar dan akan berkembang ke satu tahap yang lebih tinggi lagi.
Through deep dives and knowledge sharing on topics that range from digital health to Islamic digital economy, MDW 2022 will nurture further growth and development of Malaysia Digital's 9 focus areas, ultimately benefiting people, businesses, investors, and the nation.
MD berperanan untuk mempercepatkan pendigitalan di seluruh negara serta menarik pelaburan berpotensi sejajar dengan usaha merealisasikan aspirasi dan sasaran negara.
As Malaysia Digital helps businesses raise their competitive advantage and profile to investors, regulators and other key stakeholders, businesses can support the government's commitment to becoming carbon neutral.
Under Malaysia Digital, ESG principles are vital for the sustainable growth of Malaysia's digital economy. Through the Malaysia Digital Climate Action Pledge, MDEC seeks to accelerate the ESG commitments made by businesses across the digital economy. We want to deliver measurable reduction in climate change impact in line with national goals. Beyond that, we want to focus on data resource optimization to further catalyze our growth. We want to drive a high potential ecosystem. For this, we need a robust data ecosystem. The National Data Sharing Policy, or NDSP, recently approved by the Cabinet, will reaffirm the government's commitment in driving a data-driven nation. Through this, we can drive the momentum to foster a thriving data ecosystem needed to become a digital nation.
Let us work together to create a sustainable digital economy. To invest in Malaysia is to invest in the development of a digital ecosystem that benefits people, businesses, investors, and the nation. Join us to grow as part of the Malaysia Digital Network and let us help you realize new possibilities.